Merry Christmas everyone. Thank you all for joining. Today I'll briefly share our group's progress on AI-driven architectural structural integrated design. In the traditional workflow, architects and structural engineers iterate back and forth for days, making the process slow and fragmented. Single-discipline intelligent design speeds up structural design to minutes, but architectural and structural steps are still disconnected. Our integrated intelligent design framework unifies both sides, generating countless architectural structural schemes within about 40 minutes, greatly increasing revenue and efficiency while reducing overall cost. On the architectural side, we developed the house mind model, capable of understanding, generating, and editing floor plans from natural language. It achieves high IOU performance and supports fine-grained room reasoning. With progressive room-level reasoning, House Mind outperforms existing models across diverse layouts and scenarios, ensuring correctness and controllability. On the structural side, we propose the Magic Gen AI framework, which integrates mechanics into generation. We combine discrete mass constraints with continuous gradient constraints, ensuring feasible and code-compliant structural layout. After introducing mechanics, the generated structural schemes ensure compliance and achieve 100% code compliance in inter-story drift ratio, significantly improving over previous models. Finally, we are moving toward a truly integrated workflow. AI can now design the floor plan layout, place doors and windows, and then generate the corresponding structural system, all the way through to automated modeling and analysis. In other words, the whole architectural structural design process can now be completed end-to-end with AI. Looking forward, we will continue exploring generative AI for intelligent engineering design and expand into more building types and engineering systems. Merry Christmas and thank you for your attention.